Hey guys, welcome back again to my another video. I am with April and Shan para sa team. He is off camera, so let's get started. Come on. We're going. Oh, I went to Chernobyl, whatever.
Team Red.
Whatever.
And Team Red.
I am Team Blue. Team Blue, yes.
Oh no!
Oh my, hi.
Oh. Buto pa
1
kayo.
second. Oh.
Oh,
Let's
let's
go.
get started. We need to capture their flag.
Buto pa kasi kayo.
Okay.
By the way, guys, here's a little bit speaking Filipino.
Yep. I just...
Oh my gosh. Shan, don't kill us. We don't kill you. Whatever you want to do, we're just gonna let you go. Help! Red team coming! Help!
Where are you?
At the side.
Huh?
Side. No, get out! Get out there. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, they're building whatever. Just I don't need help anymore.
I can't.
I'm gonna run!
Run!
Run! Capture their flag! I'm so slow.
I got
Kalaban
you.
si Sean.
Oh, don't kill us! Don't kill us!
Oh, no.
Capture our flag, but don't capture us. Bullshit.
Where are you guys?
Run! Run! Block off their other red team, whatever. The red! I fell through the edge! Oh, seriously? I fell!
Seriously.
So, I need to do it again. Ha?
I think patay na is me.
No, you're not. You're still safe. Shan, do you have your flag? Oh, this. Run! Umi, run! I'm glad I placed one block wall in there. Not actually one. Just place a block wall. Oh my god, they're gonna win. We need to go faster. I'm so sorry. I don't know who will think win. Oh my gosh, don't place.
Dad.
Shan is behind you, remember?
Yep.
Please.
Tuma!
Let's be tied. Don't put whatever. Don't put. What are you doing there? Hey, you just go run. Why did you not
I'm
run? Did you?
No!
I'm so sorry. We won. We won.
Don't play there. I
No.
got
Come on, let's whatever. Hey, what?
Wait.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna place it.
Oh.
Who's kidding you?
Ako yan!
I'm sorry.
Wag ka muna.
Yeah. We'll wait you.
Hey.
That's me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Let me wait for my brother.
Hey. Where are you guys?
I have a flag.
Moment. Wait for a minute. Wait for a moment. Please don't go here. Wait for a moment. We're gonna win.
We're gonna win.
Come on. Please. Oh yeah. Please. They are getting on me. Please. I'm gonna place it. Please, brother. Place it now. Thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you. GG! We won!
Yeah.
What?
What we tie?
Die!
Yay!
Die! Woo! Yeah!
Yes.
Let's party! I'm so sorry if we're crazy.
Oh.
Okay, by the way guys, that's the first video. Not first video. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you soon!